Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Forza Horizon on GameHub. First, open the Xbox application on your computer or compatible device. Make sure your Xbox Game Pass subscription is active, as this is essential for accessing the game. Once the app is open, navigate to the search bar and type in Forza Horizon to locate the game. This initial step gets you ready to dive into the racing action. After finding Forza Horizon, select the specific title you wish to play from the search results. You'll then see an Install button. Click this to start the download and installation process. The game's size can vary, so ensure you have sufficient storage space. Once installed, you can easily launch Forza Horizon directly from your GameHub library, ready for an immersive driving experience. To enhance your gameplay, take a moment to adjust the game's settings. You can optimize graphics for your system, balancing visual quality with smooth performance. Next, customize your control scheme to fit your personal preference, whether you use a keyboard, controller, or steering wheel. Don't forget to explore the in-game accessibility options to tailor the experience further, ensuring maximum enjoyment. For an even richer experience, consider joining online sessions to race against other players and participate in community events. Also, remember to complete your daily and weekly challenges. These often provide valuable in-game currency and unique rewards. And hey, life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a little Tree's Black Ice air freshener. Check the description below for a link to that and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.